A particle of mass 10 raised to power minus 2 kg is fixed to the tip of a fan blade which rotates with angular velocity of 100 radians per second. If the radius of the blade is 0.2 meters, the centripetal force is A, 2 Newton, B, 20 Newton, C, 200 Newton, D, 400 Newton. Now, this question uh, has to do with centripetal force, all right, is from simple harmonic motion. So let's go to the classroom and see how we can suggest solution to this question. This is another question that's a little bit um, very comfortable. Students are supposed to be very comfortable with this. So we're told that we should want to find the centripetal force, all right, which is inadvertently defined as mass of a body times the square of the velocity divided by the radius of the center of a circle that the body is rotating. Right? It is worthy of note that centripetal force is opposite to centrifugal force. All right, when you have a circle like this with a center with radius, and then the body is moving at an angular velocity, right? So if the mass of the body that is rotating about this fixed position is known, we should be able to calculate the centripetal force. So we were given that angular velocity from the question was given to us as 100 radians per second. The mass of the body was given as 10 raised to power minus 2 kilogram, and it tells us that the radius of the center of oscillation is 0.2 meters, right? So we want to find our FC. Now, to be able to find FC from this formula, we know that we will need to know our velocity, all right? That's our linear velocity. So, but we know that linear velocity is equal to angular velocity times the amplitude or times the radius. So we will substitute for this in the place of that. Okay, so we now say, therefore, that is our FC equals the mass is given as 10 raised to power that. Then we have our V. So angular velocity times radius squared. Of course, the value of angular velocity is 100 times radius is 0.2, everything squared, and then everything is divided by the radius, which is 0.2. Okay, so this is very interesting. If we want to simplify this, what we are going to have is 0.01, which is for mass, then times 100 in two places because of this squared. Then we have 0.2 times 0.2, all divided by 0.2. So this 0.2, we cancel this 0.2. And then we have the first 100, we take care of this because 0.01 times 100 is going to be 0.01. Then we multiply this 100 times 0.2, right? Move this by one decimal place, and then you have 2 times 10. That's going to give us the centripetal force, therefore, is equal to 20 Newton. And the correct option, therefore, is B. So B is the correct option. So A, which is 2 Newton, C is 200 Newton, D 400 Newtons are not correct options.